Okay, so welcome to the fourth episode, not sorry, fifth episode of Leetcode. So for today, we are going to see the question number 506. Let me reduce my screen here. Yeah, so let's read the question. You are given an integer array, score of size n. That is, they are providing an integer array where score of I is the score of ith athlete in a competition. All scores are guaranteed to be unique. Okay, so like each this is an array of score, so each score belongs to an individual athlete. That is, suppose this is a score of Sachin, this is a score of Dhoni, this is a score of Virat, so on. So this is a score of each individual athlete or player, anyone. So the athletes are placed based on their scores, where the first place athlete has the highest score, second place athlete has the second highest score, and so on. The placement of each athlete determines rank. So first rank is gold medal, second rank is silver medal, third is bronze, and after fourth till nth it is just the number. That is, let me show. Here the highest score is 5, right? So 5 is the top scorer. So 5 is gold medal. Okay, 4 is the second highest, right? So 4 is a silver medal, 3 is the third highest, so 3 is a bronze, and 2 is at the fourth position, so it is 4, and 1 is at a fifth position, so it gives 5. In the same way here, 10 has a highest, so it is gold medal, and 5, so 3, let me check. First comes 10, then comes 9, then 8, then 4, then 3, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So it's in the fifth position. 3 is in the 8 in the third position. So third position is bronze. And at last 4 is at like 4 is at the fourth position. So its output is as 4. So it is an easy problem. So let me take, think I don't need to explain, but still I will explain it. Um, let me Meanwhile, let me tell you the logic for it. So okay, this is our array of score. This is our array of score. So okay, so one is for one gold, two silver, three bronze, right? Yeah, and after four, just written four. If it is fifth, just written five. It is, so it's as simple as it. So let me take 50. Let me take an array, not in like descending sorted. 5, 2, 3, 1. So yeah, it's not in sorted. So what we need to do is sort it in descending order. First, we need to sort it in descending order. So what will be the output? 7, 5, oh, then 4, then 2, then 1. Yeah, we sorted it in descending order. What we need to do next is we have to iterate through this array. we will iterate or map. That is, we will iterate through each element of this array, and if we will take a variable as res, empty array. So what we do is, if we have to find the index of that element, index index equal to, let me store this it in sorted and dot index of what, index of this element, that is 5, this element 5, right? That is index of 5. I'll take it as 5. So what will I get? What is the index of 5 in the sorted array? So it is 1, right? Index of 5 is 1. So I will do what is, if equal to 0, or I don't want to return now, I want to push response dot push what, push gold, right? This is the dummy data, okay, dummy code, that is pseudocode, you can say it as a pseudocode. Or else if it is 1, I will silver. In the same way, if it is 2, 3, like bronze. If it is 2, I will give bronze. Or else push what, I just need to push 1, not 1, index plus 1. Yeah, this is our code. Let me show it in more cleaner way in the code. So let me take a sorted array. Sorted array equal to the sort. If I take this sorted like this, it will sort the array itself, score itself. Though I don't want to score, I will destructure the array. So if you don't know what it is, you can just Google what is destructuring an array. It's simple concept. And sorting of a number in JavaScript is bit complicated, not complicated. It will seems a bit complicated when initially, comma b. Logic of this also, you can, if I do a minus b, it will come in ascending order, but I need it in descending order, b minus a. So I will get the array in a descending order. Let me show it in online JavaScript. Okay, and mm, and let response is equal to, okay, it is opened, I guess. Let me show you it here. Okay, to be minus a, I got, oh, it's already sorted, I guess. So let me give 9 comma 3. So yeah, I got the sorted array, right? And now what I need to do is, let response is equal to score dot, no, yeah, score dot map element. If you don't know what is element, you have to Google it, or there is a lot of tutorial for map also. You have to definitely, if you are using JavaScript, you definitely need to know what map is. Or else you can use for loop also, but and you can do the push. But I would prefer map because that's what a pro developer will do. And so what was the algorithm pseudocode again? Yeah, I need to check the index. So let us check. Let index equal to index of what? Index of element, right? Let me check. Okay, I'm getting the index of 5 is 1. Yeah, I'm getting the index of element. Like index of 5 is 1, index of 4 is 2, index of 3 is 3, index of 2 is 5. So I'm getting the index value. So what I need to do is put the if condition. If element, not element, index equals to 0, then return what? I think the spelling is correct. I'm bad at spellings. Yeah. Uh, Silver, bronze, and 2. Here 1, and or else return index plus 1, right? This is what we need. Okay. Oh, here we have to return. Yeah, we got the output, I guess. Let me verify the output. Yeah, silver, bronze, 4, 5, 6, gold. If we give like this, gold, silver, medal, bronze, 4, 5. Yes, we are getting the output. So let me just copy this one, and hopefully this will work. I think I got some error. What is the error? Output expected 5, gold, bronze, it's same. Okay, here they are expecting everything in string, but I am providing it here as a number. So we just need to do plus and this much. It will automatically convert it as a string, but why isn't working? Gold medal, silver, bronze, 4, 5, gold medal. I think some spelling mistakes. Silver, medal, bronze, medal. Okay. Here the spelling of medal is in small letter. That is also an issue. Yeah, it got submitted. Yes, that's the solution for you. So yeah, hope you guys understood the problem. It's an easy problem. Daily workout will help you improve the logic. So yeah, let's see you in the next video or next episode. That's it. Thank you.